Are you ready to dive into the real estate market? Whether you're looking to buy your perfect home or sell your property for the best price, I'm here to assist you every step of the way. Hi there, I'm Jim Neal with Epic Realty, your real estate expert here in beautiful sunny Southwest Florida. Whether you're on the buying or selling side of the transaction, my goal is to make your experience seamless and successful. If you're a buyer, you're in for a treat. My vast expertise in various financial programs can really make a difference. Programs like Hometown Heroes, FHA, and VA loans offer fantastic opportunities to get you into your dream home. I'm here to ensure that you understand mortgage options and help you choose the one that suits you best, turning your dream home into a reality. Now, if you're considering selling your property, my approach to marketing will give you an edge. With advanced skills in advertising across social media platforms combined with professional photography and video marketing, I will ensure that your listing receives exceptional visibility. This strategy attracts the right buyers, helping your property sell quickly and at the highest price possible. One vital aspect of home buying and selling process that often arises is the home inspection. This is a crucial step, and negotiating repairs after an inspection can be tricky. Fortunately, my expertise equips me to handle these discussions effectively. I will thoroughly examine the inspection report to pinpoint significant issues and then work with you to formulate an effective strategy for addressing these concerns. Building negotiations around repairs or credits can lead to solutions that work for both parties. I aim to keep everything moving forward, ensuring that all parties can reach the closing table with confidence and peace of mind. But there's more to my expertise than just negotiation skills. I have a solid background in home construction, particularly in the electrical field. This gives me a unique perspective in assessing not just the value of a property, but also its quality and potential for future investment. When it comes to evaluating a home or ensuring that your price is sound, I provide insights that many agents may overlook. So whether you're ready to start exploring neighborhoods or you have questions about the market, feel free to reach out. Let's connect today and begin your real estate journey together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell. Doing so, you'll ensure to stay informed with valuable tips and insights that can benefit you greatly in your real estate endeavors.